Hello, this is me, Haroon. Currently, I'm using iPhone 14 Pro. As you can see in general, about you can see the model number and the device name. Well, in this and the version number I have using is 18.2 beta 2. So I have installed Apple Intelligence in this device. As you can see in the Siri section, I have all the features like ChatGPT features and everything I have. And if you go to battery section, you have normal charging section and cycle count, normal, everything. You will get like 15 series and the 16 series have this model, and you can also adjust the optimized battery health. Okay, so and also it's only support 18.2 beta 2. If you want to upgrade, you can also. No harmful for any device. It's only support X series, 11 series, 12 series, 13 series, 14 series you can use. And also you got writing tool of AI, ChatGPT, like you can use. Thank you.